You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, more pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got tons more for you at the end of the video, including Aztec names. This is indeed from Aztec, so Nahuatl. And I've got tons more videos for you. Two different pronunciations. I believe Nahuatl pronunciation would be Zaniyah, Zaniyah. But in English, the name is more commonly, I believe, pronounced as Zaniyah, Zaniyah. How do you pronounce it? Where are you from as well? It'd be interesting to know how you want it pronounced depending on your origins. Zaniyah or Zaniyah? Let us know, let everybody know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.